Hello, we are still on the Newton Raphson method. Today we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, and you have been told that x naught is equals to negative 0.9. For these solutions of nonlinear equations, you have to be told what your x naught is, because we start from somewhere. Automatically our f of x is x squared plus 2x plus 1. That means our f prime, we differentiate and get 2x plus 2. Our Newton Raphson formula states that x of n minus 1, we have x of n minus 1 is equals to xn minus f of xn over f prime xn. We have already been told our x naught, we have our f of x, our f prime. But now there is one thing here. You realize that we will have, when we substitute in our formula, we will have something like xn is equals to, our f of xn is x squared minus plus 2x plus 1, and everything is over 2x plus 2. And this one is equals to our xn plus 1. You find that if you don't simplify this, you will have trouble. It will give you problems when you want to solve it. And now we have to use the LCM and simplify, so that you get one equation that you're going to work with. You're going to create an LCM here. But now remember, now you're using n here. We have x squared n. We will have 2xn plus 2. That's the LCM, which will give you 2xn plus 2 into xn minus, we're still using brackets. Remember, the use of brackets is very important if you want to get a correct answer, plus 1. When you simplify that, you will get 2xn squared plus 2xn minus xn squared minus 2xn minus 1. And the main reason you're doing this, you just want to simplify and get one simple equation that we can work with. You realize that 2x and cancels out, and you're going to be left with xn, 2xn squared minus xn squared just gives you xn squared minus 1 over 2xn plus 2. You can see we have one simple equation there that we can easily substitute. We can now easily say that our xn plus 1 is equals to xn squared minus 1 over 2xn plus 2. We want to get for x naught, you just substitute. Our x naught was given at negative 0.9. You will have negative 0.9 squared minus 1 over 2 into negative 0.9 plus 2. If you solve that, you get negative 0.95. And remember, we said that if you are to begin with, if x is 0, this becomes x1. Sorry, it's not x naught. When n is 1, it becomes x2. And now here you'll have x1 squared, which is negative 0.95 squared minus 1 over 2 into negative 0.95 plus 2, of which if you solve you get negative 0.975. We are going to x3, and remember you will be told the number of iterations if it's an exam, and since our question didn't state, we only go up to 3, and for x3 it means n is equals to 2, so we will have x2 squared minus 1 over 2 into x2 plus 2. What does that mean? Our x2 is negative 0.975, so we square, subtract 1 over 2 into negative 0.975 plus 2. When you solve that, you get negative 0.9875. You can go up to as many iterations as you want, but in our case, you're only going up to x3. And thank you for being with us today. Bye.